Ever wondered about the relationship between a good night's sleep and your beauty? Well, the connection is more profound than you might think. Sleep is vital for maintaining healthy, radiant skin. During the tranquility of slumber, our bodies are hard at work repairing and regenerating skin cells. Conversely, a lack of adequate sleep can negatively impact our appearance, leading to dull skin and dark circles. So next time you're tempted to skimp on sleep, remember this. Indeed, sleep is your best ally when it comes to beauty. Sleep does more than just rest your body. It's a critical period for skin regeneration and repair. As you slip into slumber, your skin kicks into high gear, undergoing a long list of natural processes that repair and renew your complexion. During the deep phases of sleep, your skin cells are busy regenerating, fueled by a surge in growth hormones. This nocturnal cellular activity helps mend the damage done during the day, from environmental stressors to UV exposure. With every hour of sleep, your skin is hard at work repairing and renewing itself. So, how can we enhance our beauty by improving our sleep? Well, it starts with simple changes. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, dark and cool. Stay active during the day, but avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime. Choose a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to fuel your body and support sleep. Practice stress management techniques like meditation or yoga. And consider using a nourishing night cream to support skin regeneration. Remember, a good night's sleep is one of the best beauty treatments out there. Let's answer some of the most frequently asked questions about sleep and beauty. Many wonder, how much sleep is needed for healthy skin? The answer varies, but most experts agree on 7 to 9 hours. Can lack of sleep cause acne? Yes, sleep deprivation can trigger stress hormones, leading to breakouts. Diet also plays a role in both sleep and skin health, with balanced meals promoting better rest and radiant skin. Evening rituals? Absolutely, they can enhance sleep quality. Sleep well and let your beauty shine naturally.